feeling myself. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't think a plane could even take me this high. Every time I think I picked that key.
Today's my birthday party and I'm attempting to do some kind of hairstyle. Don't know what it is yet. I know I want a high bun and then some kind of bang situation in the front. You guys know I rarely do hairstyles, but I'm doing it this time because I want to look really cute. And I decided to turn the camera on just in case it comes out nice. I have evidence. I recorded it so I can share it with you guys. So far what I did was I separated my hair into two sections. This front part here is where the bang situation is going to go, and the back part here is going to be the high bun. I want the bang to be really edgy, and I've done a similar style like this before. So for the bang part, I'm going to use pipe cleaners because that way I can bend them and shape them in whichever direction I want to. Haven't done pipe cleaners for a while, maybe about 2 years or so now, 2 years now. So pray for me. I've already done a few pipe cleaner curls and I want to show you. I decided to add a little bit of pizzazz to the style. Like for example, this one right here has some gold, the gold piece right here. Got it on Amazon. It's like thread. It's like elastic. It's like an elastic consistency. So it's like gold elastic. Cut a piece the same length as the lock that I'm going to attach it to. I'm doing 2 locks per pipe cleaner. And then I tie that gold piece. Just make a small knot at the root. So it's tied. And then you see the pipe cleaner. And this is not a pipe cleaner tutorial, so if you do need a pipe cleaner tutorial, there are so many on YouTube. I'll link them below in the description bar for you somewhere. And then all you're going to do now, once the pipe cleaner is attached, you just wrap the hair around it with the gold elastic as well.
On display, using skills as a showcase. The beat sounds lonely to my vocals. I donate, always willing to give to a charitable cause. Creating an air of prestige with these bars, knowing that I'm doing good just by being good company. I gave the beat my all. What more do you want from me? Heart or my soul? Matter of fact, I'll give you both. Got the title of the greatest by unanimous vote. Myself and I got good reason. Got it locked all year and you don't even get a season. I ain't letting.
There you go. This part you can cut off or you can just wrap it around the base of the lock. Alright guys, I know my hair is looking crazy, but here is what I did so far. So you guys know I already did the pipe cleaners in the front. In the back, I just did a really high ponytail. And then the hair that was left out, all this hair here, from the high ponytail, I just 2-strand twisted most of them together. So these are all twisted. And now I'm just going to place them into a really cute bun at the top. So you're going to need hairpins for this one. And you just place it wherever you feel like you want to put it.
They left me room to play and I take playtime serious. I adjust my mirrors, the side and the rear view. It always helps to have eyes in front and behind you. I spy you lurking, not the least bit intimidated. Cemented position, it's impossible to infiltrate it. Surrounded by style, got it fenced in and gated. I got my own community.
Alright, it's hot. And after much finagling and tucking and pinning, this is the hairstyle I was able to create. This is the front with the pipe cleaners, really big, really curly, shaped to wherever I want with the gold. And in the back, this is the bun. And that's the bun up top. And the bun has the texture from the 2-strand twist that I did. I wanted to put more gold in the bun area, but I don't know why I didn't think of that. I should have done that, but it is what it is. Hope you like it. Hope you try it. And let me put on some makeup because it is my birthday party. Bye. Hey, Insta family. I know I've been missing for a few days, but I just wanted to pop in here and say hello. Yeah, I'm actually having a birthday party today, so this is my birthday look. Birthday face, birthday hair. I will show you the outfit, but it's kind of hard.
I'm rolling myself and I got good reason. Got it locked all year and you don't even get a season. I ain't letting up, either stop your bag and I'm clean going downhill. myself. I ain't even gonna lie, I don't think a plane could even take me this high. Every time I think I peaked, I keep on rising. The flow is defying. I was always trying, cause I'm feeling myself.